guys watch this channel, and you see guys like Jason White, Taraja Rashard, and David Omari, and they make millions of dollars online. But how are they different from you? Simple. They know something that you don't know, and that's how to create digital real estate. What the hell is digital real estate? I know you're wondering, and I got you. You're going to want to watch this entire video if you want to make money online in 2024. The record, though, it's your fault that you're broke. Either way, man the fuck up and do something about it. I'm going to have to shine the truth on you about making money online, and that's 95% of what people say is completely useless when it comes to actually making money from your laptop. You have to put in work, time, and even have to invest a little. But with the framework in this video, you should have success in no time. Then, and only then, if you are willing to do that, that's when you will actually know how to make money online. With that being said, this video will be divided into 3 parts. First, we will discuss what digital real estate is and my unique concept on it. Second, how you can be successful with it. And last, how you can start creating your business starting today. Then you'll understand why it's the best online business model to start as an online business owner. You know what? I'm actually going to throw in a bonus tip, and that's how to make multiple streams of income in your digital real estate business. And honestly, I would say that this is probably the most interesting one, and that's because at that level you will understand that these assets can generate you money automatically, as long as you follow the steps in this video. But we're going to get to that a little later. What is digital real estate? Digital real estate refers to any digital asset over which you have temporary or permanent ownership and from which you can generate income. These are Facebook pages, TikTok accounts, Snapchat, and any social media account capable of monetization, which are considered forms of digital real estate. Additionally, websites that display advertisements, e-commerce stores, and certain digital platforms that allow for monetization with minimal effort all fall under the umbrella of digital real estate. But we ain't going to talk about none of that. We're going to talk about my personal favorite. That's the YouTube automation business. I particularly like YouTube automation because it presents endless opportunities for growth. There are countless creators eager to produce videos for your channel for cheap, allowing you to monetize those videos and earn a portion of the revenue generated from Google's advertisers. A friend once compared YouTube to an apartment building, where the channel represents the building itself and each video is like an individual apartment unit, with each one capable of generating its own revenue. While many people have social media and YouTube, what sets individuals apart is the knowledge and information required to establish a digital real estate business with your YouTube channel. Dumb it down, how to make money online. This is exactly what we'll be talking about in the next few minutes, inviting you to jump on this opportunity. How you can start creating your business. If you've made it this far and are still watching, it's clear you're serious about wanting to make money online in 2024. Those interested, there's a valuable resource in the description below. I encourage you to check it out. It covers everything we've discussed in this video, but with greater depth and detail, allowing you to learn more at your own pace. Getting started is straightforward. Begin with your idea. Think of your channel as a TV station. What do you want to broadcast on your YouTube channel? What type of content do you want viewers to consume? Whatever direction you choose, this will become your brand. You'll need to select a name, a design. These elements will help viewers identify your channel. Your content could be educational, entertaining, or anything else that fits within the style or message of your channel. Once you have your idea and a concept for your videos, you can start drafting a script. The resource mentioned earlier includes a step-by-step guide and templates to help you get started. After finalizing your script, you'll decide on the narration. You can hire a voiceover artist or use text-to-speech software, which has advanced significantly and can now produce voices that sound remarkably human. Next, you'll hand over your content to an editor who will enhance your videos with special effects, copyright-free music, images, and videos. The choice between creating a personality-driven or brand-focused channel is yours to make. You don't need to appear on camera to succeed. This video is a prime example. As Tony Robbins once said, success leaves clues. If there's a channel you admire and believe you can improve upon its content, consider assembling a team to emulate and repackage that content. There's no need to reinvent the wheel. Now let me tell you why YouTube business is the best online business model to start in 2024 and beyond compared to other business models. This approach not only showcases the potential for growth and creativity, but also emphasizes the importance of leveraging existing resources and strategies for success. 3 years ago, when I wanted to make money online to get out of my contracting business, I ventured into various methods such as drop shipping, Amazon FBA, digital marketing, and affiliate marketing. However, the most significant success I achieved was through starting a YouTube channel, treating it as a piece of digital real estate. This concept mirrors the analogy I shared earlier, where a YouTube channel operates as a business, like an apartment building in the real estate world. Each video serves as an asset, each generating its own residual income. Plus, you have the option to rent out parts of your apartment or secure sponsorships from advertisers who pay for mentions in your videos and descriptions. This business model, without a doubt, stands as the best chance of you making money online, especially if you live in the US. It's appealing because it practically requires zero startup costs for those already equipped with editing skills, script writing abilities, and knowledge. If you're capable of drafting a basic script aided by the template I'll provide in the description, you're all set to begin. If you decide to invest in yourself, perhaps by hiring expertise in areas you're less familiar with, take a moment to check out what David has to say in this video.
I invested $50 in a video. It blew up and made $10,000.
This approach not only underscores the potential of YouTube as a viable business model, but also emphasizes the value of self-investment and leveraging available resources to maximize success in the digital realm. If you have any doubts about the vitality of digital real estate as a business, I promise to show you how you can generate multiple streams of income within your business. Once you successfully monetize your YouTube channel, you'll start earning through Google AdSense, not immediately from day one, but from the first day after your channel is monetized, Google will issue you a payment for the ads displayed on your videos. Another income stream is affiliate marketing. Whatever your video content covers, there's a high likelihood that there are relevant products with affiliate programs. Considering that 80% of all major brands have affiliate networks, simply sign up, become an affiliate, and promote those products in your videos. Your channel does not have to be monetized to make money from affiliate marketing. Sponsorships represent a further avenue for revenue. Once your channel reaches a certain level of subscribers, sponsors will begin to reach out to you. These companies will pay you to mention their names in your video descriptions or within the videos themselves. Your YouTube channel, as a piece of digital real estate, also allows for income through digital products. For instance, if your channel focuses on electronics or technology and you have an e-commerce store with physical products, you can link this store to your YouTube channel and earn money that way. Now that's how you can make money online in 2024. The possibilities for income generation extend even further to print-on-demand services. You might have noticed YouTube channels that sell branded merchandise like clothes, mugs, and other customizable products directly beneath their videos. This is another viable method to monetize your channel. You don't even have to make the products yourself. What you do is create a design and the company will create the product and send it to your customer for a percentage. As you can see, there are numerous ways to make money through your digital real estate business, specifically a YouTube automation business. This just goes to show the potential of your digital real estate when you harness it effectively for your business. And that, my friend, is how you can multiply your wealth tenfold. But wait, it's also how you can protect your wealth and create generational wealth for you and your family. Because these assets are on the internet forever. That means the money will keep coming in as long as people are watching your videos. You see, in some sense, getting rich is all about doing the right thing in the right order at the right time. I mean, just think about it. That's why it's important to be able to spot the trends as they emerge. So, ladies and gentlemen, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I stayed up late compiling all this information so that you can have a better understanding of how to get started. I hope it was of value to you, and don't forget to pick up the resource below. In the meantime, let's build your digital empire together.